You wouldn't use steak on the chicken chili recipe, or would you? Hey everyone, welcome back. My kitchen is a mess and I am too lazy to clean it, so whatever, we're just gonna leave it like that. Today I'm doing white chicken, white bean chicken chili, but I'm substituting the chicken out for whatever the heck this is, cube steak. I've never used cube steak before. The store didn't have a stir fry steak, so I went with this. We'll see how that turns out. I also made a bunch more substitutions. We're using chicken broth instead of chicken stock because chicken stock is the devil. And we're also using avocado salsa instead of the tomatillo salsa verde. So we'll see how that turns out. Unfortunately for you, you don't have to suffer through eating it, so I will see how it tastes in the end. This recipe is very simple, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. We don't have much preparation. You see there isn't very much to start with on this one, so. Why would someone send me a 15-pack of YooHoo? I hate YooHoo. Ah yes, time for the sadness simulator. I bet more for less suitors really like beans. Now we just throw everything in. So, minor issue, it looks like the cube steak isn't actually like ground up. There's still one giant like patty pieces. So, I'm a little lazy to cut it apart right now, so I'm just gonna cook it and see if it's easy to separate afterwards. But that covers everything for this. We now cook it on low for 6 to 8 hours or high for like 4 to 5 hours or something. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. So I like cooking it slow because that's the point of a slow cooker. So don't question me. And with the main cooking done, we're now ready to throw in the cream cheese. The recipe says 4 tablespoons, which is about 1/4 of this block. But instead, I'm just gonna throw the entire block in because I'm becoming the Joker. So it says we're supposed to blend it now. I won't show me doing that because all it is like scooping it out and blending it, but I'm only gonna blend half of it. This looks bad, honestly, but it smells really good, so I guess we're gonna find out when you try it. Well, I don't know what to say. It's not visually appealing at all. I put a little bit of cheese on top, but that doesn't really help at all. I guess we'll find out when we eat it, but I'll eat you first. Well, it wasn't bad. It's kind of tangy, which is a little interesting. Probably came from the avocado salsa since it's got a little bit of tomatillos in it. The first thing I noticed was there was a lot of oil on the top of the slow cooker before I stirred it. So I think maybe cooking the meat beforehand, if you do use steak, would be a better option so that it doesn't have so much oil in it. Also, there was a lot of meat in there. So I think because I got the large pack that was 2.5 pounds when the recipe suggested using 1.5 pounds of chicken, that kind of probably made it way too meaty. I know as a furry saying that is not really something, but anyway, yeah, other than that, it's not bad. It's just kind of weird, but not bad. Yeah, so feel free to attempt this if you want to venture into the unknown. Oh. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Ow!